Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to customize your Calendly booking page. Alright, let's begin. First, log into your Calendly account and locate the booking event you want to update. Click the three dots next to it and choose Edit. A panel will open on the right side where you can change the event name to better reflect its purpose. You can also adjust the meeting duration, whether you prefer 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or a full hour. Next, select your meeting location, such as Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams. Set your availability so the event is only bookable during your preferred days and times. Under More Options, you can customize the event description, add instructions, set buffer times, and use free busy rules to avoid double bookings. You can also adjust the booking page appearance and customize the invitee form to collect important details. So that's basically how you can customize your Calendly booking page. That's it for this video. Thanks.